Hello, good morning students. Today we are here to solve some questions of 6th chapter, that is kinds of angles. So students, let's see the question. Your question is estimate the size of these angles and classify the angles with their size. So students, here you need to measure the size of the angle and then you need to classify it with its size. सो विद्यार्थीहरू हजुरहरूले यहाँ एङ्गललाई मेजर गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ, नाप्नुपर्ने हुन्छ र नापिसकेपछि हजुरहरूले त्यो एङ्गललाई क्लासिफाई गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ। क्लासिफाई अर्थात् त्यो एङ्गल कुन टाइपको हो, एक्युट हो, राइट हो, अप्टिस हो, स्ट्रेट हो, रिफ्लेक्स हो या कम्प्लिट एङ्गल हो। सो स्टुडेन्ट्स, लेट्स बिगिन। So students, at first to measure the angle we need a protector. Here I have got protector. So let's measure. To measure students, as I have already told you, the center must lies on vertex and the baseline of the protector should be replaced just over one arm of the angle. Since this zero lies towards the arms where we have kept the baseline of the protector, therefore we need to count from this zero. So विद्यार्थीहरू, मैले हजुरलाई पहिले पनि भनिसकेको छु, हामीले जिरो दुईतर्फ रहेको हुन्छ र कुन जिरोबाट काउन्ट गर्ने भन्ने कुरा हामीले कुन आर्म्समा हामीले प्रोटेक्टरको बेसलाइन राखेको छौं त्यसमा भर पर्छ। सो अहिले हामीले प्रोटेक्टरको बेसलाइन यो आर्म्स तर्फ राखेको छौं र यो आर्म्स अहिले जिरोको राइट तर्फ छ, त्यसैले राइटको जिरोबाट हामी काउन्ट गर्न सक्छौं। सो स्टुडेन्ट्स, अब हामी काउन्ट गर्छौं र हामी एबी आर्म्ससम्म पुग्छौं। सो दिस इज 0, आफ्टर 0 10 20 30. So students, we can see this AB arms is exactly at 30. So therefore the measurement of this angle ABC is 30 degree. So students, since the measurement of ABC is 30 degree, so 30 degree lies between 0 degree and 90 degree. So students, whenever the angle lies between 0 degree and 90 degree, it is considered as acute angle. So विद्यार्थीहरू, मैले हजुरलाई पहिला पनि भनिसकेको छु, यदि कुनै पनि एंगल 0 भन्दा धेरै र 90 भन्दा कम हुन्छ भने त्यो एंगललाई हामी acute angle भन्छौं। So students, this angle here is an acute angle. So students, angle ABC is 30 degree, therefore angle ABC is an acute angle. Now let's do another question. So students, now let's see question number B. Question number B is angle PQR. Now let's measure its size first. So students, you can see I have kept the baseline of the protector at QR and this 0 lies towards QR, therefore I am gonna count from this 0, not this 0, as because this 0 lies towards QR. So this is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So students, you can see this PQ arms lies exactly at 90 degree. Therefore angle PQR is of 90 degree, and we denote 90 degree angle with the help of square corner. In this way. So here angle PQR measures 90 degree, therefore it is your right angle, students. So students, here angle PQR measures 90 degree, therefore angle PQR is a right angle. Now let's move towards next question, students. Question number C, there is angle XYZ. Now let's measure its size first. So students, now you can see, now we are going to count from this 0, not this 0, as because we can see this YZ arms, towards YZ arm this 0 lies, therefore we are going to count from this 0, and we have to reach up to XY arm. So let's count 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. So students, now you can see this XY arms is lying exactly at 150 degree. So therefore the size of angle XYZ is 150 degree. So students, as we have already studied, an angle which is more than 90 but less than 180 degree is considered as obtuse angle. विद्यार्थीहरु, हामीले अगाडि पढिसकेका छौं, यदि कुनै पनि एंगल 90 र 180 को बीचमा पर्छ भने त्यसलाई हामी obtuse एंगल भन्छौं. सो विद्यार्थीहरु, अहिले हामी हेर्न सक्छौं यहाँ 150 भनेको 90 भन्दा ठूलो एंगल हो र 180 भन्दा सानो हो. त्यसैले एंगल XYZ यहाँ obtuse एंगल हो. So students, here angle XYZ is an obtuse angle as because it measures 150 degree. Now let's move towards next question. So students, in question number D, there is angle GHI. Now let's first measure its size and then we will classify its types. So let's see. So since here H is a vertex, we will keep center at vertex. So students, now you can see, you can observe here students. Now we have to count from this 0 and you can see directly as GH arms is exactly at 180 degree. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180. So students, as I have already told you, whenever the angle looks like a straight line, यदि कुनै पनि एंगल straight line सरह देखिन्छ भने त्यसलाई हामी directly a straight line भन्न सक्छौं. So students, a straight line measures 180 degree. Friends, whenever your angle exactly measures 180 degree, then it is considered as a straight angle. विद्यार्थीहरु, यदि कुनै पनि एंगल 180 डिग्री को हुन्छ भने त्यसलाई हामी स्ट्रेट एंगल भन्छौं र स्ट्रेट एंगल जहिले पनि एउटा स्ट्रेट लाइन जस्तै देखिन्छ स्टुडेन्ट्स. Hope you have understood today's class very well. In the next chapter we will do some more questions related to this chapter. So till then, take care. Thank you so much.